It's time to continue our ride-along series with Mobile Mitsubishi. What we like to do in these segments is always pick up something fun along the way, and this one is no exception. Take a look at the Mitsubishi Mirage with myself and Matt McCoy. Taking a look at the all-new 2019 Mitsubishi Mirage. They say it's the most fuel-efficient non-hybrid car in America, even getting up to 50 miles per gallon. You know what that means? More money in your pocket. Let's take it for a ride-along. What's up, man?
Oompa loompa doopity doo.
Looking a little different since the last time I saw you.
Just a little, just a little.
So what do we got here? Is this Oompa McCoy?
This is, yes, Oompa McCoy. Well, that's what we Oompa people like to refer to ourselves.
Sure. It's
Oompa, then your last name. That's what Willie W tells us. That's what we have to do.
So let me guess. The theme of today is something to do with chocolate.
Yes, the Chocolate Fest, which is coming up this weekend.
No doubt a huge event, benefits Penelope House.
Yes.
So I know we're always excited about that, and you've been before.
I have been. It's a fantastic event, and we have the perfect car. We have the all-new 2019 Mitsubishi Mirage.
This thing is sweet, man. And
yes.
You were telling me before about the perks of this, is that there's so much you can do with this car. It allows you so much financial freedom.
Yeah, well, the thing is, it's only $199 a month, and that is not a lease. You own it. You want to talk about a sweet deal. Get it? Because of the chocolate? Yeah, sweet deal. $199 a month, and it comes with 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty, 5 years unlimited miles roadside assistance. Plus, it's a brand new car. Think about how much you're probably paying for like a used car or even another new vehicle. You could save yourself a ton of money and you own it.
Yeah, people always want to feel that pride of ownership, and you can get that with this and still have money to do all the other fun things you want to do, like go to the
Chocolate Festival this weekend. As a matter of fact, what is that? That looks like Scott Gonzalez from Three Georges.
Well, let's pick him up.
What's he doing on the side of the road?
Let's get a ride along.
Hey, I mean, I'm already made up. I'm sure he would recognize me. Scott, what?
Man.
What are you doing here?
Man, how did you get out here?
Do you just hang out in the azalea?
No, I was on the way to the chocolate festival. Man, I had this chocolate. I'm glad you came because all this chocolate's getting ready to melt. Look at it.
Oh my, ooh, that looks good.
Look at that display. That is ready to go, man. Tell us what you got in that basket.
Oh my gosh, this Fat Albert over here. Look at this thing. You see that thing?
That is a big bunny right there.
Made that rabbit. It's too heavy. Look at that. Hold that thing.
Yeah, let me see.
Can you believe that?
Oh, ooh,
Can you believe how heavy that thing is?
Yeah,
it's crazy, crazy.
Well, we're looking at that. Tell the folks about Three Georges real quick.
Three Georges, we surpassed 100 years. Can you believe that?
That is amazing. And you guys are going to be at the Chocolate Festival, and you're going to have the truck there, right?
Yeah, the old truck. If it's running now.
We'll try to get it back and running.
1941. You know, I can't give it too much trouble. You know, but this year we're going to be there before Easter, so that's going to be great.
Wow.
So we have our Easter eggs over there, and all these rabbits. We got some rabbits without ears. We have rabbits with ears. We have rabbits with ears. We got.
Sorry about that.
Motorcycles too. You see the motorcycle?
The chocolate Easter bunnies everywhere. Look at that. Oh, that is awesome. And it's actually going to be at the grounds, and it opens at 10. I know we're going to be broadcasting there. 92 Zoo will be there with Tony at 10:30, and everybody needs to come out because it supports the Penelope House.
Yep, Penelope House does such great work. Come on out the Chocolate Festival. We got the food here, and if you can ride in style in one of these Mitsubishis, that's even better, right?
Absolutely. $199. That's all it takes.
All right, we'll see you there. The Mobile Chocolate Festival.
You guys have too much fun.
Props to Matt McCoy for going all out, becoming Oompa McCoy.
Oompa McCoy.
And thanks to Scott from Three Georges as well. So yeah, the Chocolate Festival is tomorrow. Always such a fun event. The main fundraiser for the Penelope House and all the work that they do. So check that out. And maybe if you want to, you can drive there in a Mitsubishi.
That's a nice ride right there.
One of the most fuel-efficient cars. A sweet ride.
Sweet ride.
There you go.
That's awesome.
All right, coming up, we're back in the kitchen with